Summertime is salad time, but do you struggle to find healthy dressings? Well, I've got just the thing for you today. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we bring together the power of healthy foods and supplements to create delicious recipes. Today we're going to be making a heart-healthy lemon dressing. This dressing is super simple as we're going to be adding all of our ingredients into the blender. So let's begin with 2/3 cup of olive oil, which is excellent for your heart health and your digestion. Next, let's add 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, which has been around for centuries for its medicinal properties. You just want to make sure that you use unfiltered organic vinegar that still has the mother in it, because that's going to add extra enzymes, proteins, and gut-friendly bacteria. The juice and zest from one lemon, which is so good for your immune system because of its high content of vitamin C. Now let's add in 3 to 4 drops of orange essential oil. Now this is completely optional, but I'm going to add it in because it's so good for supporting your digestion. And whenever you're consuming essential oil, you just want to make sure you use a really high quality organic brand. Plus, orange essential oil is so good for lifting your mood. 2 chopped garlic cloves. And 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or your favorite sweetener. 1 teaspoon of DIJON mustard, which contains both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which will help support your cardiovascular system. 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Last but not least, I have 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you watch any of my recipes, you know that I love to add in this spice because it's so good for your circulation. Plus, it tastes really good too. Okay, now we're ready to blend up all of the ingredients really well. Okay, pour your dressing into a glass container. Then you're going to want to cover it and store it in the refrigerator. It should last for about a week. And I highly recommend making it the night before you want to actually use it, because by sitting in the refrigerator, it's going to let all of those flavors really come together and really pop in your mouth when you're ready to taste it. Okay, I'm so excited to give this dressing a try. I just took it out of the refrigerator and I made a delicious salad. So just use whatever you like. I have cucumbers, avocado, carrots, red pepper, and pumpkin seeds. And look at this dressing. It's gorgeous, so pretty. Okay, let's give it a taste. This dressing is amazing. You have to give this one a try. All of the flavors blend together really well, and there's just a little bit of a kick from the cayenne pepper, but it's so good. I can't wait to finish this salad off. Definitely give this one a try. Play with the flavors, and you know, every time you make a salad, just put in different vegetables and it changes the taste. It's so fun. It's so perfect for summer. Thanks so much for joining me today in the kitchen. Please take great care of yourself. And if you'd like to receive more healthy recipes just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week.